Hi there guys, my name is David, you are watching Vival Automotive, and here I found this very special Porsche Gunterwerk 993 Winchester Edition. So here we have it tucked away in the Mews here in London, one out of only 25 in the world, named Winchester Commission, finished in this sort of white with this carbon fiber stripe, this sticker Porsche logo on the top. This car is super special because it is basically a 993, but the whole body is carbon fiber, and the only thing that they actually took from the 993 is the top. So everything else is reworked, it's lighter, it's stiffer, it has got a different suspension, it has got a 4-liter naturally aspirated engine, which sounds apparently absolutely incredible. The whole car is also widened, so it just looks so aggressive. If you look at it from the front, I mean, look how aggressive it looks, even though it is stationary here in London. The car is made by a company called Gunterworks, so here in the headlights, you can see their initials over there. And if you go and have a look from the back, this ducktail style of wing here is just stunning. More carbon fiber here, Gunterworks. Once again, you can sort of peek inside of the engine bay, which is once again finished all in carbon fiber, same as this sort of end bit over here where there is a fire extinguisher in the middle. Then it has got these incredible carbon fiber bucket seats, which on the Porsche 918 the bucket seats are quite aggressive and they sort of tuck you in, but on this car they are even more so. Then you've got this Alcantara finished steering wheel, so you have better grip. This 6-speed transmission there in the middle, and from the back this very futuristic looking light. I just love it, how similar it is to the 993, yet completely different. It is registered in Montana and has got the Gunther plate as well, sort of tying in together with the company that made this car. And just look at the exhausts here in the back, they look so nice. And yeah, this car is a truly special car to see here in London. I've never seen one of these before. I don't think that I'll ever see one of them again, because as I said, it's only one out of 25 in the world. And if we just peek inside of the owner's garage, you can just see that the owner has got some other pretty special cars as well. Here we have got this Novitec 812 GTS. Next to this car, the owner has got some other cars on the way, which are incredibly cool, like the Aston Martin Speedster and the Aston Martin Valkyrie. So yeah, this is the Porsche Gunterworks 993 Winchester Edition that I found here in Mayfair. It is a super cool looking car. I'm so glad that I have seen it. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about it? And now I'll probably move back on Park Lane to see what other cars are driving out and about.